need to eat is now greater than ever. The leopard seal, by far the most ferocious of all Antarctica seals. Dare this pod tackle him? He's a 3-meter adult, an aggressive hunter in his own right. Unused to being targeted by killer whales, the leopard seal makes the mistake of leaving the safety of the ice floe. The killer whales approach the seal with utmost caution. Keeping away from its powerful teeth, they seize it by its tail and try to drown it. The hungry youngsters get to feed first. But tackling less familiar prey is risky, and starvation is a real danger for these killer whales. Only time will tell whether these skillful hunters can adjust quickly enough to survive in this changing world.